Can I do something really funny?
Aloha folks, welcome back to Spike's Breezeway Cocktail Hour. Do I have a show for you tonight? You guys were so stoked on the McBiff show, thought that maybe we would bring on another guest. And if you follow my Instagram account, Spike in the Camera, you know that I take lots of pictures of lots of pretty girls. And one of my absolute favorite models that I work with is a beautiful woman named Bryona Ashly. And I'd like to bring Bryona out. And there she is. I somehow talked her into this.
Yeah, I don't know how.
You've been published in all kinds of magazines, right?
Correct.
And when did you start modeling?
Oh man, I started modeling professionally probably about 5 years ago, right after my 21st birthday.
And how long have we known each other? Like 3 years?
Almost 3?
Yeah.
Almost 3, because I think we shot shortly after I moved here, which was...
Oh yeah.
It'll be 3 in January of 2021.
And what is your favorite tiki bar? Aside from the Breezeway.
I was gonna say that. Man, you beat me to that. Oh man. Dude, it's not technically. I was gonna say Formosa, but it's more of like an Asian.
Formosa. So a lot of Asian restaurants were kind of.
It has like a tiki bar like cocktail menu.
Yeah.
But I really am into any sort of like kind of
Themed environment.
Yeah. And then that place, because it was closed for so long, and now they just like reopened it and redid it. It's kind of my favorite place.
I think you just like it because the wallpaper has you on it.
It does. It does. It does.
It's not really her, but it certainly looks like her.
And on the menu.
Yeah.
Too.
They should just rename it the Bryona.
That was terrible.
They should just rename it the Bryona.
Better.
All right, so what are we making?
No, you tell me.
What is your relationship to Trader Vic's?
Never been there. Ding.
We're gonna make a Trader Vic's cocktail from 1974 called the Siboney. Did I say that right? We were listening to it before this because we had no idea how to pronounce it.
Don't ask me. I pronounce cement, so.
Siboney is a 1927 song by composer Ernesto Luconia. It was about his homesickness that he was feeling while he was away from Cuba.
I wonder if anyone's feeling homesickness right now.
No, everybody's at home. So we think that that's why Trader Vic named it the... Aloha, folks. My name is Spike Marble. You might know me from a band called the Hula Girls, or from this cocktail series. Anyway, I just wanted to pop in and clarify what I've learned about the origin of the name of this cocktail. Turns out the song title has nothing to do with the name of the cocktail. And I only came across it when I was looking at one of my old Trader Vic's menus. On the first page here, under Island Cocktails, is the Siboney. It says a great Caribbean cocktail named after the original Siboney Indians. So that's the origin of the cocktail name. Thanks to the Trader Vic's menu. All right, back to the show. The Siboney. Siboney? Siboney.
Siboney. That's how it was pronounced on Google.
Yeah, we had to look it up. It's that, or it's also one of the original tribes of Cuba before it was colonized. So, two meanings. I'd like to think it's the song one because Trader Vic was a flowery dreamer.
I feel like the place was heavily influenced by music as well, being tiki culture and exotic music as well, so I feel like that maybe had something to do with it.
See? Not just a pretty face. In this cocktail, we will be using
Lemon, pineapple juice, passion fruit syrup, 12-year.
Appleton Estate 12-year. She did well up until that point. Let's make the cocktail. Why don't you cut a lemon in half, please?
I'm trusting you to do this.
Well,
My nails. Asking you to like. Yes.
there we go. And so we're gonna make 2 at once. The recipe calls for half an ounce of lemon juice, so we're gonna find 1 ounce of lemon juice. So if you want to use this guy, and then put it face down. See, you know. And then squeeze it.
Fucking muscles. Sorry, I can't cuss on this.
Yeah, sure you can.
Oh. Look at those fucking muscles. Is that an ounce?
That's almost an ounce right there.
I got this, folks.
Yep. There it is. All right, that's an ounce. Wow. Nice work. It's way better than McBiff did. Pour that into the glass. Okay, we're not gonna need this anymore. You just hit a fish float.
10 points.
Next ingredient, let's do the passion fruit syrup. And the recipe calls for half an ounce of passion fruit syrup, so we will need an ounce of passion fruit syrup. Perfect. I don't know why I'm holding this lemon.
Me either, but you can let go of it.
If this is a good drink, we might want this lemon for later.
Okay.
Okay, we need half an ounce of pineapple juice.
You have to open this into my nails.
You need to shake it too. Okay, half an ounce, yeah. So a full ounce for 2.
Whoa.
A little drippy there.
Whoa. Getting out of control.
All right. And then the rum. So we're going to be using Appleton Estate 12 year for the dark rum, and we need an ounce per cocktail, so 2 ounces.
This looks strong.
Well, I think if you drank it yourself, it'd be pretty strong.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to fill this tin with ice. Have you ever shaken a cocktail before?
I have, but I am assuming by the way you said that I've probably done it wrong.
Okay, go ahead and pour that into the tin. And then put that on top. And then give it a little give it a little smack. That's good shaking.
Thank you.
This is the way that my bartender friends have taught me is like a throwing motion.
I mean, do that to the side, please. Open up.
Ow, your nails.
See?
What's happening behind me?
Because that's what your arms look like when you're doing it. Like a fucking pterodactyl.
Pterodactyls make that arm motion? Don't they flap?
I don't know. That's a velociraptor.
Which one? The flapping one?
Yeah.
No, Velociraptor's like a
Y'all,
walking guy.
y'all don't ever come to me for dinosaur information because Velociraptor is the flying one.
Mention it in the comments below who is correct.
You're correct, I know.
Oh. I'm
No,
correct?
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
Because, like, is a velociraptor is from, like, Jurassic Park, and they're, like, the little mean ones.
Yeah.
That are, like, ships, and, like...
But you just said it was the flying one.
I don't know. What's the flying one?
Pterodactyl. You said that earlier. Alright. The reason I wanted to make this cocktail, I have never tried this cocktail before, so that was the reason number 1. But reason number 2 is because Bryona deserves fancy atomic martini-style glasses.
Let me just model it for you for a second. What year are these?
50s, probably?
We're featuring a 1950's martini glass. There you go. I want me to do it right now?
You should probably just put it back where you got it.
No. Where I got it was here.
Oh. Okay. We're gonna strain.
That's what this thing is for.
Yeah. So you put your finger on it like this, and then you just pour. But we're gonna double strain it because you don't want any little ice chips in it. So. Perfect. Teamwork. This is from all the years of us shooting together. We knew exactly what the other person was thinking.
Exactly.
Okay. So we're going to garnish this with a single leaf of mint.
Wow, fancy.
Yes, very fancy.
You know?
Yep. Very elegant. And there it is. What was it called?
Siboney? Siboney? I don't know why he's doing this shit to me. I already told him not to tell me to f***ing pronounce it. What is it?
Don't know.
I think Google said it like Siboney.
This is
Right?
the Siboney from 1974 Trader Vic's. And cheers.
Delicious.
That's really good. That's a good drink. It's kind of frothy from the shaking. It's like a daiquiri, kinda.
Also tastes like a fancy Mai Tai.
Yeah, kind of like a fancy strained Mai Tai.
Yeah, like without all the ice.
Yeah.
That waters it down.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's funny, this has got lemon in it, but I don't really taste the lemon.
I just taste pineapple juice.
Yeah, the pineapple juice is kind of like, it's not overbearing, it's just very pineapple-y. What else you got?
I don't know.
I guess we should say goodbye.
I guess so. I don't know. I'm waiting for you. This is your show.
Oh,
This is your show. I'm following your lead.
it's true, it is my show. I would like to thank Bryona for joining us tonight and teaching us the pronunciation of...
No, do not hold me accountable for that pronunciation of that word, because
Thank you so much. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next cocktail video. Aloha.
bye.
That's all.
I just stabbed myself. Ow.
Siboney is a 1927 composition. Siboney is a 1927
I'm
composition.
laughing this whole time.
Okay, let's try this again.
Okay.
Siboney is a 19...
Wait, you gotta wait for you start before I'm even composed.
Oh.
Let me like let a silent moment of silence pass. Okay, go.
No, it's funny. Okay. Siboney.
I can't.
Oh God. Okay.
Okay.
Can you show him a lemon? Lemon. do that again. Oh, I'm blocking your light every time I lean forward.
How dare you? Rude.
It's fatherland of Cuba. Or motherland. Motherland or fatherland?
I'm just gonna say this.
Yes.
You do all of that 10 million times better in one sentence. And I'm only saying that because I care, and I know that you're gonna look back on that and be like, I wish I would have said that in one fluid sentence.
I know.
I know. Force me to do this, and then
I'd say that force is
and
like
then
a...
you block my light, making me look
less than...
unlit.
Unlit.
Rude.
So, what was the last burlesque show that you were in that I shot? That was Tease If You Please, right? It was the anniversary one?
What, 7 years, 10 days ago? I miss being out in public.
I know. But at least we have this fake tiki bar here.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Can I do something really funny? Can I like walk, like I'm walking down the stairs, down the bar, like that? But you need to be out of the shot. So
It's like a funny thing, huh?
it is. I love it. I love it. I have like videos of me doing like the canoe. See you later.
Down into the basement.
Out into the basement. And then,
That's where you keep the room.
Oh, hi. Just come up the escalator there.
My cocktail is finished. So, are we done here?
I'm not done yet. I mean, you can turn it off, but you can stand here.
Can I make another one?
Yeah.
The problem with like these daiquiri cocktails is they go by so quick. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Did you want one too?
Yeah.
Sorry. Who knows what? Who knows what kind
What
of?
kind of facial expressions I'm gonna...
Yeah. Who knows what kind of antics might happen?
Oh, also, you can follow my OnlyFans account, Bryona Ashly. Oh, we did a photo shoot in the hot tub.
Yeah. You want?
I ain't gotta explain to no one.
All right.
Put that in your B-roll.